So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can silent the background noises in calls on your Windows laptops or desktops. Now, if either it could be a WhatsApp call or any other call that you attend using your systems, it can be the meetings as well or anything. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. Let's say I open the Google Chrome. Here you need to go to this website that is crisp.ai. You can check the URL correct spelling with that is KRI sp.ai. Just simply hit on this enter, and here you can see this is a basic software that you can use for free to use the voice isolation features or transcripts mode only, to just simply make your calls smooth and very well defined, uh, by removing all the unnecessary noises on your background or anything. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.